And today we are going to walk back into the past a little bit to understand where hip hop came from. So hip hop came from this style called funk style of dance, alright? So we're going to look at a few steps which became a proper step in hip hop later on, right? So we're going to look at the inspiration of today's steps, right? So if you've seen in hip hop the WOP, yeah, we can trace it back to a step in funk, alright? So we're going to call this the funk WOP, alright? So we're going to start with the legs first. I just want you to tap, 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 alright? When you're tapping, you can tap either flat foot or with your heel, that's up to you. But do not transfer the weight. Don't transfer the weight, just stand at the center. You can tip your weight slightly behind as well, but mostly just touching the floor, right? Once you've done that, make sure that you're adding a little bit of hop. Yeah, so it's not just this, it's 1, 2, 3. So at the center, you want to sort of replace the leg like that. Replace. So toe, heel, lift the heel, hip. Yeah, so that exchange has to be there. Yeah, as one heel is going down, the other heel comes up, and use that rise to step up. Yeah, so it has to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, hands are similar to the WOP as I mentioned. So we're going to go right, left, alright. Just to add a little bit of spice, we're going to go right, left, right, left, left. So as you can tell, it's not just the arms, but the shoulders also help the movement, right? So if I'm moving to my right, my left shoulder rises, my right shoulder dips. Same thing on the other side. There. You can involve your ribs as well to give it a little more flavor, right? So it should look like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright? It is similar to the WOP, which is there in hip hop, which is where it was inspired from the funk era, right? So let's combine the hands and the legs. So the slightly tricky part is you can either go same side and same leg. So for example, if I'm going towards my right, I'm going to step out my right leg, or you could step out your left leg as well. I'm leaving that to you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go with the same hand and same side, same leg and same side. I just feel like that suits my body a little better. You can choose what looks good on you. Alright, let's take it slowly with counts 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. A little faster. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right? Let's go at tempo. So slightly faster than this, not wildly fast. Right? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right? Let's try with some music. 5, 6, 7, and
watching.
If you've liked our video,
do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.